So let us start session. So previous class, all introductions discussed. So last class session. So last class, day one, all that introduction discussed about myself, about course contents. Yes, what is prerequisite, what next after this course, all this explained very clearly in the last session. Okay. Yes, today, day two. Day two. Yes, today day two, just to Java overview we'll discuss. Today we'll discuss about Java overview. Yes, today, yes, topics. Today topics. What is Java? Next, Java history. About Java history. What is Java? Java history. And then next, so why Java has this much of popularity? Why Java has this much of popularity? Next, what is present position of Java? Present position in the market, present situation, present position of Java. What is present position of Java? And then what is future of Java? So these are the topics will be discussed today. So today's session day two. So about Java. So completely just Java over, it is Java overview. So today is not going to start actual subject here. Today just Java overview. So once overview completed, then we'll start. Tomorrow we'll start actual subject, starting from the basics. From tomorrow I'll start from the basics. So yesterday completely course about course introduction, myself introduction, all introductions completed. In previous class, all introductions completed. So today about Java, all that overview of Java today we'll discuss. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, I'll start from the basics. I'll start from the software basics. Okay, let us see one by one. So first of all, what is Java? First point, yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so what is Java? Yes, you guys, so what is Java? So anyone idea about Java? What is Java? What is your idea about Java? Tell me guys. What is your idea about Java?
Yes, sir. Java is a programming language
Yeah, good. Java is
that
a
contains.
programming language. Next, any others? Tell me your idea about Java. Java is a one of the programming languages. And next, any others? Any others about Java? Yeah, okay, fine. Let me explain. So what is exactly Java here? So what is Java? Simple answer here. Yes, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Simple answer. What is Java means? It's an OOP language. Yes, OOP. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. So what is Java? So Java is an OOP language. Java is an OOP language. Here OOP stands for object-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. Okay. So what is Java means? Simply answer, it's a object-oriented programming language. Okay, so there are many WOOP languages. There are many WOOP languages like C++, Java, Python, Scala, like that. Yes, .NET, C Sharp. So there are many WOOP languages. So Java is one of the WOOP languages. Java is one of the WOOP language. Java is an WOOP language. WOOP stands for Object Oriented Programming. Okay, fine. So next, let us say about Java history. So what is Java history? About Java history. About Java history. About Java history. See JDK. JDK stands for Java Development. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So you get JDK is a Java software. JDK is a Java software. JDK is a Java software. So JDK, Java software, Java Development Kit, Java Development Kit, JDK is a Java software. JDK is a Java software. Okay. Yes, JDK 1.0. Yes, first version. Yes, 1 second. Sorry. Yes, Java. Yes, who has developed Java here? Who is the author of Java? Let us see. Who is the author of Java? See, initially, yes, initially, yes, initially, yes, initially Java, yes, Java development started by James Gosling. James Gosling. Initially, yes. So initially Java's development started by James Gosling. So here James Gosling is an author of Java. James Gosling is an author of Java. Yes, James Gosling is an author of Java. Yes, maybe asking some interview question. Yes, who is author of Java? James Gosling. James Gosling is an author. Is an author. Is an author of. Is an author of Java. James Gosling is an author of Java. James Gosling is an author of Java. Simple answer. Okay, right? Yes, initially Java development started with James Gosling. So James Gosling is an author of Java. Okay, right? Yes, later, yes, taken over. Later, Java taken over. So later, Java taken over by yes, Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems. Later, Java taken over by Sun Microsystems. Okay. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Yes. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. So initially started by James Gosling, then later taken by the Sun Microsystems. See, Sun Microsystems. This company was purchased by Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation has taken over this company. Oracle Corporation. So Oracle Corporation has taken over this Sun Microsystems. So all products, yes, of Sun Microsystems taken over by the yes Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. So all rights are reserved with Oracle Corporation. So you can all yes Java rights, all rights on Java, all rights on Java reserved with Oracle Corporation. All rights on Java reserved. So reserved with Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation. Right? Yeah. Fine. So JDK 1.0, JDK 1.0, it's a first version of JDK 1.0 is first version of Java, first version of Java, JDK 1.0. Yes, it's a first version of JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java, JDK 1.0, first version of Java. Yes, released in the year, yes, 1996. First version of Java. JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java. First version of Java released in the year 1996. So before that, there is a alpha and beta versions. Alpha and beta versions. Alpha and beta versions. Alpha and beta versions. Beta versions released in the year 1995. In the year 1995. So here, in 1995, here it's a alpha and beta versions. Alpha and beta versions were released in the year 1995. Alpha version means is a first tested version. Alpha version means first tested version. Next beta version means final tested before going to releasing into market. So before going to release to market, there is a final tested version. Yes, is a beta version. So alpha version is a first tested version. Beta version is a final tested version. That is company internal release. Yes, alpha and beta versions are company internal release. It was happened in the year 1995. Okay, right? Yes, later JDK 1.0, first version of Java. So 1.0 is a first version of Java released in the year 1996. First version of Java in the year 1996. Right? Yes. So after this, next JDK 1.1. Yes, next version. Yes, JDK 1.0, first version of Java released in the year 1996. Okay. Yes. So JDK 1.0, JDK 1.0 released with below features. With below features. Let me explain that features here. So initial features. Yes, initial features. Okay. Yes, JDK 1.0. So first version of Java JDK 1.0 released with below features. First one, yes, Java is an independent of platform. Java is an independent of platform. Independent of platform. Java is an independent of platform. Yes, next. Java is a portable. Java is a portable. Java is a portable. Yes, what is independent of platform portability and all that we'll discuss next. Wait for some time. So JDK 1.0 released with these features here. So independent of platform. Yes, next portability and next. So Java is an yes object-oriented programming language. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Okay. So JDK 1.0 released with below features here. So Java is an independent platform. Yes, it's a portable Hadoop language. And then, yes, scalable. So Java is a scalable language. Scalable. So scalable language. Java is a scalable language. Okay, right? And next, yes, Java is a secure. Java is a secure. Java is a secure. Secure, right? Yes, so these are the initial features of Java. So JDK 1.0 first version of Java released in the year 1996. So JDK 1.0 released with these features here, like independent of platform, portability, next group language, scalability, and security. So these are the initial features of Java. Yes, what is independent of platform? So what is independent of platform? Yeah, this topic we'll discuss next. Okay, so once Java started, I'll explain that. So once Java started, I'll explain about independent platform, portability, and all this here. Today, just it's a overview, Java overview. Today, just only Java overview. Today, just only Java overview here. Okay, so once you started Java, yes, tomorrow going to start actual that subject here. So that time we'll discuss clearly. Okay, right? Yeah. So let me repeat once again. Today topic, day 2. Yes, about Java overview. Today we are going to discuss about completely Java overview. Today completely about Java overview. So like what is Java? About Java history. Next, why Java has this much of popularity. Next, what is present position of Java? Or next, what is future of Java? So these things will be discussed today. Today, let us say about all these things here. So first one, so what is Java? Simple. Java is an OOP language. Java is an OOP language. Here OOP stands for object-oriented programming. OOP stands for object-oriented programming. So Java is one of the OOP languages. Java is one of the OOP languages. Here we have many OOP languages like C++, Python, Java, .NET, C#, Scala, like that. We have many OOP languages. Java is one of the OOP languages. Okay. Yes. So more about OOP language next we'll discuss. Once you started actual classes, that time I'll explain clearly about all OOP languages. Okay. Next, let us see about Java history. Second point. So Java history. About Java history. So Java, JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Yes, JDK is a Java software. JDK is a Java software. Yes, initially Java development started with James Gosling. So James Gosling is an author of Java. James Gosling is an author of Java. Maybe asking this question, who is author of Java? Who has developed Java? James Gosling. So why named as Java? The topic I'll explain later. Why that name? So why, yes, why they named as Java here? The product why named as Java? The topic next I will explain. Just wait for some time. Okay. So later taken over by the Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. So all rights on Java reserved with Oracle Corporation. Okay, right? Yes, initially, yeah, there are some alpha and beta versions released in the year 1995. Yeah, Java alpha and beta versions. Alpha version means it's a first tested version. Okay, after finishing completely, yes, product is ready, then testing here. That is alpha version. Next, final tested version, beta version. So alpha is a first tested version, beta version means final tested version. So alpha and beta versions, these both versions released in the year 1995. Actual release 1.0. 1.0. First version of Java released in the year 1996. First version of Java released in the year 1996. See, 1996, that time, yes, I was in engineering only. Yes, I was in engineering. Okay, I was studying engineering that time. I was in engineering. Yes, engineering third year. Okay. Yes, my engineering 1993 to 1997 completed. Yes, JNT Hyderabad campus. JNT H at Kukatpalli, Hyderabad Kukatpalli. So JNT So JNT Hyderabad. Yes, that main campus. Okay. Yes. So 1996. 1996 is, I think, before your birth, right? Am I correct or not? 1996 means, yes, before your birth. I think 100% exactly. I think you were, yes, not born at 1996. Okay, fine. Yeah, so next JDK 1.0. Okay, JDK 1.0 released. Yes, with these features like independent of platform, initial features of Java. There are initial features like independent of platform, portability, OOP language, scalability, and security. So these are the initial features of Java. JDK 1.0 features. JDK 1.0. So next, JDK 1.1. So JDK 1.1 released, 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 released in the year 1997. So 1.0, first version of Java in the year 1996. 1996. Okay, next. Yes, JDK 1.1 released in the year 1997. Yes, in 1.1, what was happened here? In JDK 1.1, JDK 1.1, Java divided, Java divided, Java divided into three editions. Java divided into three editions. So Java divided into three editions here. Initially only three editions. Initially only three editions here. Later fourth edition was added. So here JDK 1.1. Yes, in 1.1, yes. Yes, Java divided into three editions. Java divided into three editions. Okay, let us see all the three editions here. So first one, Java SE, Java Standard, Java Standard, Java Standard Edition, Java Standard Edition. Second one, yes, JEE, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, JSE, JE, yes, next one, yes, JME, JME. So JME means Java Yes, it's a micro edition, Java micro edition. Java micro edition. What is the purpose of all these editions? I'll explain. What is Java standard edition, Java standard edition, Java enterprise edition, and Java micro edition? So initially only these three, only these. Later fourth one added. Yes, when fourth one added, I'll explain clearly. Okay, so this is JDK 1.1. Yes, divided into three editions. Three editions. Yes, and then next JDK 1.2 version. So next year 1.2, next JDK 1.3, next JDK 1.4, next JDK 1.5. From 1.5 onwards, calling us Java 5. Java 5, yes, Java 6, like this. That naming changed. Java 7, yes, Java 8. Yes, most important one is Java 8 here. Yes, Java 8. Presently, industry using Java 8. Yes, in our company, in our office also, we are using Java 8. Okay. Yes. For project development, we are using Java 8. Some companies still they are using Java 7 only, but we are using Java 8. Java 8. So next Java 9 also released, but not using here. Still not at using here. Okay, still not at using here. Java 9. Java 9. Yes, next Java 10 also released here. 11 released. Yes, up to Java 20 also released. Okay. Simply here, Oracle Corporation just little bit some features adding to Java releasing with different versions. Okay. So Oracle Corporation just adding simply features and releasing in the market. But so these are not successful versions. Yes, 9 to 20. No, is not in use here. So these versions are not in use. Now currently industry using Java 8. Java 8 is a most successful version with all that required features in the market. So Java 8. Yes, our main focus is on Java 8. Okay, Java 8. So our daily classes I'll be using Java 8. Okay. Yes, once course have completed, finally we'll discuss about Java 8 features. Yes, Java 8 features. Main focus on Java 8 features. Java 8 features. Yes, companies are asking for Java 8 features. What are new features in Java? Java 8. Java 8 features. There is special focus on Java 8 features. Okay, for Java 8 features, I have prepared separate document. Separate document is available. Java 8. Yes, so this is Java 8 features document. Java 8 features document here. So separate document is available on Java 8. Okay, yeah. So like here, out of all these versions here, most important version is JDK 1.5, Java 5. Java 5. Java 5. Yes. Yes, it is called as Tiger version. Most important version is Tiger version. Tiger version. Okay, JDK 1.5. Yes, Java 5. It's called as Tiger version. Released. Released. Released in the year. Yes, 2004. Okay, 2004. Yes, in this version, many features were added. Many features were added. Many features were added. Yes, including fourth edition. Yes, including fourth edition. Now, fourth edition added in this version here, including fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition is a yes, fourth edition. Fourth edition. Fourth edition is JFX, calling as JFX. JFX stands for Java FX. Java FX. JFX stands for Java FX. Okay. Yeah. So Java FX. Yes, what is purpose of Java FX? We'll discuss. Yes, here with JDK 1.5. With JDK 1.5. So with JDK 1.5, Java got the success. Here, Java got the success. Success. With JDK 1.5, Java got the success. 1 second. Yes, I think some new guy is asking for yes, course information. Okay, some new yes, student new joining. Student asking for course information. Yes, they are pinging yes in the chat box. Yes, just yes, 2 minutes I will explain about course information that yesterday's class session. course information. Yes. See, yesterday discussed about about myself, about your course content, who can take this course, what next after this course. These things have been discussed yesterday. Okay, today, this new guy. So these things were discussed here. Say about myself, yeah, this is Nageswar Rao, having 20 plus years of experience. Yes, my area of experience, Java full stack, big data and Hadoop. Next is Spark, Linux, databases. This area I worked on. Totally here, 16 projects completed in my whole career. Yes, almost more than 20 years, around 25 years of experience, 25 years, 16 projects completed. Now 17th project going on. Yes, out of 16, 12 projects on Java, 4 projects on Big Data and Hadoop here. 17th project, current projects, e-commerce projects. Okay, US-based client, e-commerce project, presently we are working here. So e-commerce projects, US-based company, e-commerce projects, presently we are working. So current working company, Silotech Private Limited, Hyderabad. Yes, my role, principal Java full stack developer. So principal means, yes, you say, yes, highest role in this company here. Okay, so this role, so highest role in this company. Okay, so principal Java full stack developer. Okay, yes, it's a key role in this company. Okay, yes. So development as well as training experience. Development as well as training. Training also I have the very good experience. Okay, yes. So about course information. See course Java, yes, duration 75 days, time, yes, 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. So 90 minutes. Yes, 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. 6:30 to, yes, 8 p.m. So this is time. Yes, next week. Yes, some students are requesting to, yes, make it some delay. So next week planning to start at 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Next week, yes, your session will be 7:30 to 9 p.m. So 1.5 hour class, 90-minute session. So this week only, yes, 6:30 to 8 p.m. Okay, some college students, yes, this office who are working employees here, they're asking to make it delay. So it will be 7:30 p.m. from Monday onwards. I will make it. So this week not possible because of I have some work after 8 o'clock. So yes, some after 8 o'clock, little bit some work is there. So this week not possible. So next Monday onwards, yes, your time is 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. So no worry. Okay, 7:30 to 9 o'clock. 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Okay. Hello. Hello. నేను కొంచెం క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను మళ్ళీ కాల్ చేస్తాను ఓకే యా చేస్తాను ఓకే ష్యూర్ యా యా సో నెక్స్ట్ మండే ఆన్వర్డ్స్ 7:30 to 9 p.m. Yes, no worry guys. So from Monday onwards 7:30 to 9 p.m. I'll make it. So here Monday to Saturday classes. Okay, weekly 6 days. Yes, daily class notes sharing with you. Next daily recordings will be shared with you. So every recording is there. Now current it's being recorded. That recording will be shared with you. So every day recording will be shared with you. Okay. Yes. Fees just only 4,000. It's after fees. So previous batch, yes, 5,000. Now it's given just offer. Okay. Yes. So demo classes for 3 to 4 days. So 3 or 4 days you can take it here. Okay. Yes. So this is about course information. I think this is enough. Okay. Yes. Course hour 75 days. Time 6:30 to 8 o'clock. But next from Monday onwards 7:30 to 9 p.m. Next week I'll start at 7:30. Okay. So Monday to Saturday classes. So this is about your course. Okay. Course content. Yes, course content. Yes, Durga. Yes, go to Durga website and you can check it. Durga website. Here it's a, yes, Core Java. Core Java by Mr. Nageswar Rao. So 11th Feb, today date. Yes, course content. Click here. Click here. You can see course content. All this course content you can see. That course content. So these all are course content. Course content. Course content. So initially all the basics here. So basics and coding skills. So first 1 month focus on coding skills. First 1 month focus on coding skills. 100 programs, 100 plus programs you're going to practice. Okay, coding skills, separate focus is there. Next, oops programming. Yes, after oops, strings and string buffers, exception handling. Next, collection of framework. Most important topic here, collection of framework. Next, input and output streams. IO streams topic here. On the networking, multi-threading. Yes, next. Here, interview questions. I have prepared interview questions. Okay, next. Yes, coding skills and all that documentation is there. I'll share with you. Yes, here, coding skills. For coding skills, separately I have prepared. So more than 100 programs I have prepared in coding skills. And next, yes, test papers. So this is our company, Silotech test papers and other company, different test papers. Okay, test papers. So next, apart from that, interview questions. Yes, interview questions, more than 300 questions prepared. There are more than 300 questions of the interview questions prepared here. Yes, I'll share all this material, all this stuff I'll share with you. Next, apart from this, your daily class document. So this is your daily class document. Yeah, this is your daily class document. Yes, it's a daily class document. So this is around 900-page document with 300 plus programs. Yes, 300 plus programs and all the theory concepts, everything is very clearly prepared, well prepared document. This is, it's completely my experience. 900-page document. This document for you only, I'll share with you. Okay. So that's all about last session, previous session. Okay. I think it's clear. Now let us continue today's session. Okay. I hope you understand, right? About last session, it's cleared. Now, so this course is 75 days, 75 days course, 1.5 hour class. Next week, starting at 7:30 p.m. Only this week, 6:30. Next week onwards, I'll make it 7:30. Don't worry, guys. Okay. Yeah. So today topic, let me review today topic. Yes. So what is Java? About Java history. So yesterday all course introduction given. Today about Java overview. Today I will enter into actual subject. Tomorrow I'll be entering into actual subject. Today just only Java overview. So what is Java? Java history. So why Java has this much of popularity? What is present position of Java? What is future of Java? So these things we'll discuss. So first of all, what is Java? Yes, very simple answer. What is Java? So Java is an OOP language. Java is an OOP language. Yes, here OOP stands for Object-Oriented Programming. Object-Oriented Programming. There are many OOP languages. So Java is one of the OOP language. About OOP language, I'll explain later. We'll discuss next. Okay. So next, Java history. Yes, JDK. Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK is a Java software. Yes, initially Java development started by James Gosling. So Java development started with James Gosling. So James Gosling is an author of Java. James Gosling is an author of Java. So later Java taken over by Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems. Now it is with Oracle Corporation. Now it's calling as Oracle Java. Now it's a Oracle Java. Okay. Yes, all rights reserved with Oracle Corporation. Yeah, to download Java software, you have to visit Oracle site. Yes, we have to download it. Okay. So you guys don't worry about it. Software, I'll share with you. Yes, our company softwares. Okay. So what are the softwares we are using in our development? Same software I'll share with you. Okay. Yes. So first release JDK 1.0. First version of Java released in the year 1996. Okay, first version of Java released in the year 1996. See, 1996, I think it's a before your birth, right? Am I correct or not? You guys, 1996, before your birth, I think. Okay. Yes, that time I was in engineering third year. Yes, engineering third year. So it's a 93 to 97. Okay, JNT Hyderabad, JNT campus Hyderabad. Okay. Yes. So my experience almost is equal to your age. My experience and your age almost same. More than your age, my experience. 20 plus years of experience. Yes, around 25 years on Java. Okay, fine. So first version JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 released with below features. Yes, first version of Java in the year 1996. In the year 1996. Okay. So here, what are the initial features of Java? Later, many features added. Of course, later many features added. Initially Java released it. Yes, with these features like independent of platform, portability. Yes, next group language, scalability, and security. So these are the initial features of Java. These are initial features of Java. So next version JDK 1.1 released in the year 1997. 1997. Okay. So JDK 1.1. Yes, in second version of Java, Java divided into 3 editions. So initially only 3 editions like Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, next Micro Edition. So these are 1.1. What was happened in 1.1? Yes, 3 editions. Divided into 3 editions. 3 editions. Okay. Yes, and then yes, next version 1.2, next 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. From 1.5 onwards, calling as Java 5, Java 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this, up to 20. But here, Java 9 to 20, nowhere using. Released, but nowhere using here. Yes, now presently companies are using Java 8. Some companies still they are using Java 7 only. But in our company, we are using Java 8. Java 8. Yes, here main focus on Java 8 features. Here there is a main focus. After finishing core Java, final topic, Java 8 features. Special focus on Java 8 features. You guys don't worry about it here. Yes, most of the companies are asking for Java 8 features. There is special focus on Java 8 features. Yes. So out of this, all the versions here, most important version, Java 5, JDK 1.5. It's called as Tiger version. Released in the year 2004. 2004. Yes, in this version, many features were added, including fourth edition. Yes, fourth edition. Yes, JFX, JavaFX, JavaFX. So with the JDK 1.5, Java got the success. Yes, because of its features. Because of its features, JDK 1.5, Java got the success finally here. So here, how many years it was taken to become success here? How many years taken to become success? See, Java released in the year 1996, right? 1996. Finally got success in the year 2004. Yes, almost 8 years. It was taken 8 years to get the success in the market. Yes, 8 years. See, even you guys also, after getting into job, not getting success immediately. Yes, maybe initially 3 to 4 years you have to struggle. Yes, any field. So initially 3 to 4 years you have to struggle. After that, you're getting success. Maybe 4 to 5 years. So once you get the 4 to 5 years of experience in Java, getting success. So minimum 4 to 5 years of experience required to get the success. Okay, right? Yes. Fine. Well and good. So finally here, finally Java divided. Java divided into 4 editions. 4 editions. Finally, Java divided into 4 editions. Finally, Java divided into 4 editions. These 3 editions, these 3 editions. Next, fourth one, yes, JFX. Fourth one, JFX. JFX stands for Java FX here. Java effects. Java effects. So these are total. There are 4 editions in Java. 4 editions. So let us see what are these things here. What is Java standard edition, enterprise edition, micro edition, and effects? Let us see. So first one, Java standard edition. Java standard edition. So Java standard edition is it's a Java technology. Yes, Java technology. It's a completely Java technology. Yes, yes. Our core Java comes under Java standard edition. It's a core Java completely. Means all the skills, learning Java technology, okay, Java technology and coding, learning Java coding. Java coding is. So this is comes under Java standard edition. Yes, our syllabus completely Java standard edition, completely core Java. See this core Java. Yes, here main focus in this course, our main focus on coding skills. You should mainly focus on coding skills. So once you good at coding skills, next level of Java you can learn it easily here. Next level like frameworks, frameworks like Spring framework, Spring Boot frameworks. So for frameworks, coding skills important. If you good at coding skills, yes, then frameworks becomes very simple. Yes, coding skills are very, very important for every developer. Maybe Java developer, .NET developer, Python developer. So for all these developers, coding skills are very, very important. So our main focus on coding skills. Okay. Yes, in core Java learning, you have to focus on coding skills. This is most important. If you good at coding skills, then easy to work on frameworks. Frameworks. Okay, fine. So next, Java Enterprise Edition. So what is Java Enterprise Edition? Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Yes, it's a application development. It's a application development. It's an application development. It's an application development. It's an application development. It's an application of Java Enterprise Edition. It's an application development. Okay. Yes, like Advanced Java and frameworks. Yes, what is framework? I'll explain. Yes, Advanced Java frameworks comes under this category here. Advanced Java and frameworks. Advanced Java frameworks comes under Enterprise Edition. Yes, it's a applications development. Okay, after learning core Java, next you have to start application development. So there is framework. Yes, in frameworks, no coding. In frameworks, don't have coding here. All predefined things. Okay, so frameworks with the core Java. Yes, if you have the core Java knowledge, then you can start working on frameworks. So with frameworks, with the core Java, you can start application development here. Applications, apps. So apps, applications. See, there are many applications using in our daily life, right? There are many applications using in our daily life. See, in your mobile, there are many applications, right? In your mobile, check your mobile, many applications, right? See, which is mostly used application in your mobile? Anyone, can you answer this? You guys? Yeah. In your mobile, there are many applications, right? So which is mostly used application in your mobile?
Sir, WhatsApp.
Yeah, exactly, right? Good. WhatsApp. WhatsApp. And next, any other application using? There are many things, mainly WhatsApp. So presently WhatsApp has become mandatory. It has become basic needs in our life. WhatsApp has become basic need in our, like a food. It has become basic needs. With the help of WhatsApp, we are able to communicate here, clearly here. So need not to call somebody here, just giving information. Through the WhatsApp, we can send information, right? Yes, our activity becomes very simple with WhatsApp. WhatsApp. And next, any other examples? Facebook. Facebook. Any other examples? Yes, online trading applications, right? Online trading apps, online trading applications, online trading applications. Okay. Yes. GPay, that Google Pay, right? And Phone Pay. These are all the applications. Okay, next. Like suppose Flipkart. Flipkart. That all shopping application. Next, Amazon, right? Yes, Amazon. Yes, Amazon online shopping application. Okay. Next, banking applications. Banking applications. Banking apps, right? Like that, there are many applications. Yes, even Zoom. The Zoom app. Okay, the Zoom app. Zoom online meeting application, right? Yes, all these applications like this, there are many applications. Yes, to develop this kind of applications, here is a Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. Java Enterprise Edition. This is for the application development, completely applications development. Java Enterprise Edition is a application development, completely for application development. See what kind of applications we can develop here in enterprise edition. What kind of applications? First one, yes, all internet-based applications. Yes, internet. See, 90% of internet-based applications were developed in Java. Okay, 90% of internet-based applications developed in Java. Internet-based apps. Okay, next. Yes, next, big data applications, big data apps, big data applications. Yes, yes, Hadoop is one of the Java frameworks. Hadoop and Scala, sorry, Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop and Spark, yes, one of the Java frameworks. Yes, Hadoop and Spark. So these are the Java frameworks. Okay, yes. So Hadoop and Spark with Java coding only. That big data applications to process huge amount of data. Right. Next, third one, ERP. ERP kind of applications. Yes, like Oracle ERP and SAP ERP. Yes, like that here in Java also you can develop ERP. That ERPs we can develop in Java also. Yes, I'll explain. Just wait for some time. Yes, what kind of internet-based applications, big data applications, what is ERP exactly? We'll discuss. Okay. So enterprise edition, yes, it's a yes, application development. Yes, next advanced Java frameworks comes in this category here. So frameworks, what is exactly framework? What are the frameworks in Java? We'll discuss. Let me finish all these different editions here. Once he completed, I'll explain about what is framework, what is advantage of frameworks, what kind of Java frameworks we'll discuss. Okay, so Java standard edition, simply it's a Java technology, completely Java technology and Java coding. Okay, here you have to mainly focus on coding skills. If you good at this one, then it's a enterprise edition. It's a application development. Okay, fine. And next, Java micro edition. Next one, Java micro edition. Java micro edition. Yes, even we can call as mobile edition also. This is micro edition or mobile edition. Yes, purpose is mobile application development. So this is for mobile app development, mobile apps. Mobile apps development, we can use this one here. Mobile app development, but not in use. Industry not using this micro edition. Yes, for mobile application, this is Android. Android is available. Android is best recommended. Android is best recommended for this one here. Android best recommended for this mobile application development. Yes, here Android is a core Java based. Android is a core Java based. Yes, if you get good at core Java, then easy to work on Android. Suppose anyone wanted to go to mobile application development of learning core Java, you can start working on Android here. Yes, you can work on Android. Once core Java completed, you can start yes working on Android here. Okay, completely core Java based. Yes, Android also has many openings. In market, there are many openings for Androids. It's a core Java based. Okay. Yes. Not only Android, there are many Java-based tools. Java-based tools, many tools available. Yes, that we'll discuss. Wait. So micro edition. So this is for mobile application development, but here industry using Android. Okay, right? So you guys, yes, need not to learn about micro edition. It's not necessary. Leave it. It's not necessary. Don't worry about it here. Okay. And then, yes, fourth one, Java effects. Fourth one, Java effects. Fourth one, Java effects. Java effects. So what is purpose of this edition here? So this is for, yes, visual effects. This is for visual effects. Visual effects in movies. Visual effects in movies. Visual effects in movies. Okay. So this is visual effects in movies. Okay. Yes. Can you tell me some movies with visual effects? Yes, there are nowadays. It's very, very important in movies, right? Yes, visual effects are playing major role in the film industry. In film industry, visual effects are playing major role. Can you tell me some examples? Maybe English movies or some Indian movies, Hollywood, Bollywood movies. Yes, see, Avatar 1 and 2, right? Avatar 1 and 2. Many visual effects, right? Next, Avengers. Yes, even Indian movies like Bahubali. Bahubali 1 and 2, right? Yes, more visual effects used Bahubali 1 and 2. And next, Triple R, visual effects. Like there are, yes, recently many movies. Okay, there are many movies used visual effects, right? Yes, visual effects. Yes, even for this one here, Java effects. This is not in use. This edition also not in use. So for visual effects here, so best recommended software industry, film industry using, yes, film industry using, yes, Premiere software, Premiere software, Premiere software from Adobe, from Adobe. There is a Premiere software from Adobe. So this is for film editing and all that using here. Yes, film industry using Premiere software from Adobe. Yes, old software, there is a Maya software from, yes, Microsoft. Yes, almost it was outdated. Now presently Premiere software using Premiere software from Adobe. Okay, right? So you guys need not to worry about, yes, these two editions. So only 1 and 2, Java SE and Enterprise Edition. Only these things you have to learn it. To work on Java, only these two editions are enough here. So remaining two, not necessarily, leave it. No worry. Okay, fine. Now let us come to Enterprise Edition. In Enterprise Edition, yes, here frameworks. There are some frameworks, right? Yes, what is framework? What is exactly framework? Let us see about framework. What is a framework here? See Java frameworks. So first, let me list out all the Java frameworks. What is exactly framework? I'll explain. Java frameworks. First one, struts. Struts framework. Struts frameworks. Okay. Struts framework, first one. Yeah, these are outdated. Yes, nowhere using here. So this is outdated. Yes, that outdated 10 years ago. Before 2010 itself outdated. Almost 15 years. Okay. 15 years ago, outdated, nowhere using. So you guys, so need not to focus on this framework. So next one, yes, Hibernate. Next one, Hibernate. Hibernate framework. Yes, Hibernate framework. Okay, Hibernate, most important framework. Yes, Hibernate framework. Yes, using for database and all that here. Hibernate framework. Next is Spring framework. So next one, Spring framework. Next is Spring framework. Yes, most important. Presently, yes, Spring, mostly used framework. Next, Spring Boot. Latest one is, yes, Spring Boot framework. Yes, Spring Boot framework. Okay. Yes. Our current, yes, our current project, e-commerce project, we are developing Spring Boot. Spring Boot with microservices combination. Spring Boot and microservices. Spring Boot. Next, another one here, microservices. Yes, microservices. So combination of Spring Boot and microservices. See, if you booted Spring framework, then Spring Boot is very simple. Spring Boot built on top of Spring framework. Okay. Yes, Spring Boot built on top of Spring framework. Spring Boot is a very lightweight framework compared to Spring framework. Okay. Next, microservices. Microservices framework. So this is for the payment gateways and all this. Microservices are to integrate with payment gateway. Microservices. We are using microservices to integrate payment gateway like PayPal. There are many payment gateways like PayPal, most important worldwide, most important using, yes, PayPal. PayPal is the most important payment gateway. Okay. So most of the applications integrating with PayPal for this purpose using microservices framework. So these are the frameworks. Yes, apart from this, other frameworks like Hadoop. There is a Hadoop framework, Hadoop and Spark, Hadoop and Spark. So these are the big data frameworks. Hadoop and Spark, they are the big data frameworks. Like this, there are many frameworks. Yes, more than, yes, 20 frameworks, around 20 frameworks are there. Like, yes, ADF framework, next OAF framework, yes, yes, OAF, and then ADF. Like that, there are many frameworks. That is different stream. OAF and ADF, that is different stream. That is for the Oracle ERP. So these are using with Oracle ERP. That is different. Next, EBS framework, like that. There are many frameworks. More than 20 frameworks are there in Java. But yes, mostly used one, these things here. So this is Hadoop and these different stream. OAF is different and ADF, that is different here. So these are Java main frameworks. Yes, mainly these are used here. In Java application development, mainly using these frameworks. Mainly using these framework. Hibernate framework, Spring framework, Spring Boot, and microservices. Now, what is exactly framework? Let me explain. So what is a framework exactly? What is a framework exactly? Sorry. So what is a framework exactly? What is a framework exactly here? What's a framework? Yes, framework. It's ready-made one. Yes, framework. Yes, it's a collection of, framework is a collection of ready-made services. Collection of, yes, ready-made services. Framework is a collection of ready-made services. All predefined service available in framework. So here we are not going to write any coding. In framework, don't have any coding. Okay, all predefined service available. All ready-made service available. Okay. So with the help of that, all the services, the predefined services. Yes, predefined services, yes, should be plugged into application. Okay, should be plugged in. Just you have to plug into, yes, plug into application and build it. And you have to build it here. Okay, build it. You have to build it. Okay, right? Yes. For plugin purpose, there is a course of code. Plugin purpose, yes, taking framework services, plugin into application. That plugin code is a core Java code. Core Java codes. Just integrating all these services, finally building application. Okay, I'll tell you one real-time scenario, some real-time example framework to for better understanding. For better understanding frameworks here, I will explain one real-time scenario. One real-time scenario, like suppose bridges construction. Yes, let us take example bridges construction. See, very old days, yes. So they used to raise the pillars, raising pillars, raising pillars. Yes, on top of pillars, on top of pillars. Yes, laying bridge on top of pillars. This old one on top of pillars, just laying bridge, right? Laying bridge. Yes. So that technology, yes, that will be taken for many, yes, many years. Even small bits also minimum 1 year, maybe 2 years, 3 years, years together, right? But nowadays, what is happening here? Nowadays, simply raising pillars. Okay. Yes, and on top of pillars, what they are doing here? Simply they are bringing some blocks readily available. The blocks available. Yes, ready-made blocks available. On top of pillars, simply they are assembling blocks. Simply they are bringing some blocks here. Yes, on top of pillars, assembling. Simply they are assembling blocks. Assembling blocks. Okay, assembling that blocks, right? Assembling blocks. That block is ready-made one. Is something like a framework. In framework, everything is readily available. In framework, everything is readily available here. So taking all the components in framework here and plug into project, building project here. Okay, yes. One more example. One more example I will tell you. One more example. Yes. Ready-made houses. Ready-made houses, right? Ready-made houses. One more example of this framework. Ready-made houses. See, in case of ready-made houses, what happens here? Yes, everything readily available. Okay, readily available like walls, next doors, windows, ceiling, next everything readily available. Okay, so everything is readily available here. Yes, we can take it here and we can build that house within a week. Just 1 week enough. 1 week enough. Okay, 1 week enough. Yes, to finish that, right? So 1 week is enough here. So 1 week enough to build the house. Even sometimes 2 or 3 days. 2 or 3 days enough to build the house, right? That ready-made things. So that ready-made house, yes, a framework is exact like a ready-made house. Yes. So framework components like in our ready-made house, there are different kind of things, different components like walls and frames and all this, right? Same thing in framework. Framework, everything readily available. So framework, everything readily available here. So you have to take it framework services, then integrating all the services. So we should take that all these predefined services and plug into app. Next, we can build it here. That plugin coding is a core Java coding. Plugin coding is a core Java coding. So just framework with the core Java coding, we can build the application simply. That's it here. That means if you good at core Java, it's very simple to build the applications. Okay. Yes. What is advantage of framework here? Yes. Advantage of frameworks. Advantage of frameworks. Advantage. Okay. Advantage. First one. Yes. We can reduce the code. We can reduce the codes. Yes. Much coding is not necessary. First main advantage of framework, we can reduce the code. Much coding is not necessary. All are readily available. Yes. By writing simple codes, integration purpose, some code required. Integrating services. To integrate framework services, some little bit coding required. Just matter of integration codes. Each and every component integration maybe 5 to 6 lines codes. Like that, simple coding is enough here to integrate that frameworks. We can reduce the code. Yes, if we able to reduce the codes, then yes, we can reduce. We can reduce. Yes, time of development. We can reduce time of development. We can reduce time of development. Time of development, right? We can reduce time of development. So not only time of development here, yes, we can reduce the number of resources. Yes, big team is not necessary. Yes, the small team also can build the very big application. Okay, small team also can build the application here. So presently we are working on e-commerce application. E-commerce is very big application. That e-commerce. E-commerce application is very big application. Even big application, just we are working only 12 members. Just 12 members team. Our team now presently only 12 members. Of course, our company is a Java-based company. Yes, more than 300 developers are there in our company. Only Java developers. More than 300. They are working on different clients, working with different clients, working on different projects. Okay, our project, e-commerce projects, just only we are 12. We are 12 team members here, 12 developers, next testers working on this. Okay. Yes, it's very simple team here. So we can reduce the code here. Next, we can reduce time of development here. So we can reduce cost of development as we can reduce cost of development. We can reduce cost of development. Cost of development. No, cost of development. So cost of development. Next, apart from that, yes, we can deliver the project in a short period. We can deliver. Yes, we can deliver the projects. Yes, we can deliver the projects. Yes, in a short span of time here. Yes, we can deliver the project in a short period. Short period. So much time is not necessary here. Short periods. Here, client satisfaction is very important. So getting client satisfaction here. Here client satisfaction. Yeah, this is very, very important. Okay. Here client expectations nowadays. Client expectations. So what are the client expectations here? Yes, short time. Yes, delivery. Short time delivery. Short time delivery. Yes, with less cost. With less cost, right? Less cost, and quality and quality application, quality applications. So client expectations, short-term delivery with less cost and quality applications. See, for short-term delivery purpose, now presently we are using agile methodology. Yes, agile methodology. Yes, in project development, agile methodology. Yes, we are using agile methodology presently here. Agile methodology. Agile methodology. So with agile methodology, we can develop the project in short time. Yes, little bit, just 5 minutes I'll explain about agile methodology. So what is exactly agile methodology? Previously, we had different methodologies, project development methodologies, like waterfall methodology, spiral methodology. There are different methodologies. Those are outdated now presently. So since last 7 years, yes, we are using agile methodology. We are following agile, this agile methodology. Since last 7 years in our company, we are following completely agile methodology. What is agile methodology? Let me explain. Just 5 minutes, I'll explain about agile methodology. See, what is exactly agile methodology? Suppose there are 100 requirements. There are 100 requirements from the client. There are 100 requirements. Okay. Yes, the product owner simply he will go to client location collecting all the 100 requirements, but we are not going to work on all the 100 requirements at a time here. Yes, not going to work on 100 requirements. Out of 100 requirements, which is most important one? So first here filtering most important one here. So which is most important requirement? So identifying 10 requirements, just 10 requirements. 10 requirements. Just identifying some 10 requirements here. Okay. That is, yes, the 10 requirements making us one sprint. That is called a sprint. Sprint one. First 10 requirements is a sprint one. Okay. So it's a sprint. So working on just only 10 requirements. Okay. So if you're working on only 10 requirements, developing, testing, and releasing. So next 10 requirements. Next, identifying next important 10 requirements, 10 requirements, 10 requirements, and it's a sprint 2. That is calling as sprint 2. In sprint 2, next 10 requirements. So next 10, like sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4, like this. Yes. So here first 10 requirements, developing, testing, and releasing. So first, that is first one piece released. One module, yes, maybe some modules released here. Next 10 requirements. So next piece releasing here. So like this is calling as bits and pieces. Yes, developing, testing, and releasing bits and pieces. So agile methodology, yes, it's a bits and pieces concept here. Releasing projects in the bits and pieces, like sprint 1, sprint 2. Yes, sprint 1, 10 requirements developed just within a week, 1 week. Sprint maximum, yes, 1 to 3 weeks. That's it here. Sprint planning maximum only 1 to 3 weeks, max 3 weeks, not more than that. Most of the times within 1 week only here. 1 to 3 weeks. Within 1 week only you have to finish it. Not delivering. So within 1 week, client getting first piece. Okay, then started. Yes, that will be starting live. Okay, starting live here. So client within 1 week, client will get some part. And next, second part, sprint 2. Okay, second part, sprint 2. Sprint 2. So like this, So next part. So simply releasing project bits and pieces. Yes, if we are following this agile methodology, yes, within short time we can deliver to the client. Client satisfaction. Okay, frameworks. Yes, frameworks with agile methodology. Yes, frameworks. Yes, that frameworks. Yes, using frameworks. Yes, with yes, agile methodology. Okay. See, at the end of the course, I will explain about agile methodology. What is agile methodology exactly? What is sprint exactly? So next, what is Scrum? What is Scrum meeting? All that one day I will take that agile methodology. Maybe at the middle of the core Java, yes, any day. Okay. At the middle of the core Java, maybe at the end of the core Java, someday I'll take agile methodology. Okay. Even I have prepared document also. Agile methodology document. Yes, in project development, agile methodology document. Projects, Java, project development. Yeah, project development. Yeah, this agile methodology documentation. The e-commerce projects. Presently, we are developing. Yes, this agile methodology documents. Yeah, this one I'll share with you. Okay, I'll explain one day. I'll explain about this methodology. I'll share with you. Okay, fine. So this is about framework. Framework is ready-made one, ready to use. So advantage of frameworks like this. So this is complete Java overview. Just it's a complete Java overview. Okay. So this is just a Java overview. Yes, tomorrow we are going to start that subject, starting with basics. Tomorrow starting with basics. Okay. Hello. Hello. Oh, 5 minutes like call just the class effect. Yeah. So this is basics. Tomorrow I'll start with basics here. See, I'm not expecting any yes IT background from you guys. Even I'm not expecting any C programming knowledge. I'll start from the basics. Yes, tomorrow going to start subject starting from the basics. Okay, even non-IT background guys also can understand these basics here. Yes, guys, any doubts?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So, how much time I have to give for this course?
Yeah, 75 days.
No, sir. Within a day, within a particular day, how much time I have to 5 hours, 6 hours for including question solving and practicing all.
Yeah, every day, yes, at least 2 hours enough. Just work for 2 years, 2 hours enough here. Maximum 2 hours for practice and
Ex
all. Daily 2 hours.
excluding class, no?
Yeah, excluding class.
Or
Excluding
two
class,
hours.
2 hours. Yeah. So one
And
and
the
a half hour
co
class, 90 minutes class, and
uh,
2 hours practice. 2 hours practice enough.
oh, sir, documents and all
Yeah.
question bank you will be giving, no?
Yeah, I'll be giving. Yeah, this I'll share with you. See you. So what are things I'm showing you that I'll share with you. Your Java document. So this is 900 page document is there. Okay. The theory concepts and interview questions and coding skills programs. Yes, in daily class itself, I'll explain yes 4 to 5 programs. Apart from that, I'll give the assignments. So what are the programs explained? Yes, it's there in document very clearly. I have prepared in document complete programs. Okay, complete programs prepared in the document. Just 1 second. Let me show some example. Yeah, this is coding. Yes, in document. Yeah, this is coding. That code. Yeah, that code prepared in document. For every program, for every topics, that code prepared. Suppose class employee. Yes, how is this call by value, call by something like this. This coding. Coding is there in document. On every topic, coding is there. That coding here prepared. I'll share the same coding with you. So daily class notes, coding, and videos, everything will be shared with you.
Sir, these questions which will you give will be enough for solving?
Yeah, 100%. 300 plus questions I have prepared.
Yes, sir.
300 questions, 300 plus interview questions prepared, and coding skills programs. More than 200 programs are there in coding. Okay,
Okay.
coding skills. For coding skills, separately, see coding skills. There are the programs on coding skills.
Yes, sir.
Coding skills, and then test papers. There are some test papers. Our company test papers and different companies some test papers. Yes, I have done, yes, taken different test papers. I'll share with you the test papers. Next, interview questions. That interview
Uh,
question, 300 plus questions. All this stuff, all this material I'll share with you.
okay,
Right?
sir.
Yeah.
At the end of
Anything
the
else?
course, we will get the certificate of completion,
Yeah,
no?
100%. Course completion certificate will get it.
Okay, sir.
At the end, you will get the course completion certificate. Yes, core Java certificate will get. Yes, topic
Yes,
wise you clear certificate. Okay.
yes,
Yeah, one more thing here. Just to let me explain one more thing. Yes, one more thing. Yes, 1 second. Let me stop recording.